You can call function in a different ways. Last class we already learned a simple method how to call a function. So there are another method. Lot of methods are available in Python to call a function. So here the function name is sum underscore n. So it has one parameter. So this is called a parameter. N is called a parameter. Then so what is the use of this function? Means it will print the sum of n natural numbers. You already know about this. So here, if I run this program, you will not get any output because here is no function call. So here again I am going to call here sum underscore n. Then you already know that sum underscore n, then I need to pass the argument from here. So what is my argument here? No, argument is not argument a. Argument means what is the limit of the limit, that is n means if when value is 10 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10. Here I'm going to write here calling function. I think it is not visible to you. Here enter the limit, then user already give the limit, then I'm going to write sum underscore n of a. So this is a simple function call. If I run this program, then it will ask what is the first, enter the first limit. I just write 10, enter the limit, then sum of n number is 55. It will display. So this is the one type of function call. So instead of this you can call this function. Suppose I am not taking any argument from the user. Now I comment this line. If I use a hash here means this line will not execute. So instead of here you can pass the argument as a number, like I'm write 7. This is also possible. Here last example I just passing here the variable. Here I am passing directly the value here. This is another type of function call. So I'm going to run this. So sum of n number is 28. So here n is 7. Again here another type of function call is here, that is a is given by the user. Then I just passing this a here. Then also I'm going to write print sum underscore n of a. Just think that what is output. First time it, so if I run this program, then it will ask enter the limit, then I write 5, then suddenly I will get sum of n number is 15 and none. House, where is the none coming from? So I will tell you that here execution start from here. First it will check the function header, then there is no problem in function header, then it will go to here, then it will taking the limit from the user, then it will call the sum of a, this function. Suddenly it will go again here, a is passed to n, a is copied to n, then sum is equal to 0, then n plus 1 means n plus 1, it will calculate the sum, it will print the sum here, then you know how I called this function, print sum of a. So do you see that if anything, this function is returning anything here? Do you check any return statement is here? No, here is no return statement here. Okay, I think is not visible. Here is no return statement is here. I'm not writing any return statement here, but I just want, this means it will call the function as well as it will return, it will print the return value from this function, So this print sum underscore n of a, it will call this function and it will print what value is returned from here this function to here. So here anything returned here, none is returned, that is nothing is returning. That why if I run this program, you will get a output plus none. So in this example you will get a better understanding about the concept again. So one function rev, then it is used to reverse, it will used to display a number from reverse, it will display the numbers reversely. That is if the limit is n, that is if the limit is 10, then it will print 10, 9, 3, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 up to 1. This is the program. Here if I run this program, then it will ask enter the limit, then I just write 5. Then did you see that 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is displaying in next line. Okay, so I can change it. Instead of here I'm just writing print, because it is every number is displaying in a new line. So if I need to display in a one line, end is equal to double quotes, then it will return, it will display the number in one line, 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1, none. Did you see the none again printed here? So the previous function call, you already see that one none is printing here. What is the reason? I already told you that this function here is no any other return statement here. If there is no return statement is this function by default it will return a value, that is value is none. That why it print a none. That is function, it will call from here, it will go here, it will print 4, 3, 2, 1. Then here one none value is going here, it will go in here, then it will print that none value. That's why it's displaying none here by default. If there you can see that there is no return value here. Instead of this writing return any other value, I just going to return one string is here. Okay, here do you see that? You can see that return return. Okay, so it will execute this, it will display 4, 3, 2, 1, then it will return. Okay, so what is the output? Run, then 5, then 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, because this function returning okay value to here, then it will print a okay value here. That's why you can see this okay here. By default, if there is no return value, by default it will return a none value, none, none. That why if there is no return statement is there, by automatically what happen, none is returned.